So nobody has come forwards for our cockerels. Nobody wants cockerels at all. And so we're going to have to start thinking about making them a place to live, because they don't want to live in kennels. And we don't really want to spend money on it, but they have as much life and right of life as anything else. We're trying the cockerels all together because we're going to make them a new home, and Chelsea has been very brave and picked up the last lot, even though she was terrified, and we're going to video her picking up the next lot because it's so funny.
Do you want me to pass this one to you and then get the other one, or do you want to get the other one?
Now if you can video what I'm doing with its wings so people don't think I'm being mean.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Seem bigger?
So these are the flight wings and the flight feathers, and if you cut them off then they can't, but you only cut one side, then they're uneven and they can't fly up.
Hello.
These are the spurs. If they were fighting cockerels, they'd have big, long
Very
spurs.
long ones, and they'd curl around.
Yeah, and they'd try and get you. But these are lovely cockerels, aren't they?
Yeah.
Beautiful cockerels.
Right.
So they don't like the idea too much, but we want to try them together because we're going to make them a big grassy run today. That's our job for the day. Now come on boys, you've got to learn to get on together. There are no girls around.
You can see who the boss is.
Yeah. All mouth and no trousers. All mouth and no wing. Well, we might not be able to do this because as you can see, he's being a real rotter, and we like these little silkies, so I think we'll catch them. See? Time to catch the silkies. Okay, let's divide them up.
Come on in. Alright. Got it?
There we are.
Right, now we've got to get this small one.
Could you give that to her?
Yeah.
Because
Charles, do you want this?
we were seeing if they get on.
There we are. Alright.
So they've been working all morning on building this run for the cockerels, and as you see they've done a really good job. Now we've got to find a house for them to live in. One cockerel found a home this morning, which is amazing, but the others are cooped up in the kennels. So we built it like this so that it would be suitable for little dogs if the cockerels were lucky enough to find homes. But they've done a great job.